This system is using 2 Irwin grips and a plate that goes in the ceiling for electrical light. I applied the grips inside the holes for the intake as well as the exhaust. I just used some pressure on each one to push down the spring, allowing me to get these little clips inside here. This is not a hard method to do. If you guys have these grips, try it out. I'm not saying it's the best, but I'm also not saying that everyone needs to spend, so much money on tools. Our brains, we can come up with anything, and we can build anything. So, just like a carpenter can take a piece of wood outside and make a bowl out of it, a mechanic can use anything in his garage to make things work. So this little idea here works really good for the double spring valve. It's really hard to do. The other ones this is off of Honda Foreman 450 double spring valve. So I got the pins in there and they're staying. Just push down the valve using the 2 clamps. It's not the correct way, but it works. And instead of buying the tool, or you need the tool like, today, or going out, you might have your tools already able to do this job in your garage. And you just have to think about it. Just took a little while to think about it. So please like and subscribe if you like this video. If you think I'm crazy, oh well. If you don't like it, I don't know what to tell you. I don't really care. It worked for me. Thank you for watching.